Updating your address on Kajabi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Visit the Kajabi website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find the Address section. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled Address or Billing Information. This is where you can update your address. Step 4. Edit your address. Click on the Edit button next to your current address. Enter your new address details in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. Confirm that your new address is displayed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily keep your address up to date on Kajabi. Regular updates ensure that your account information remains accurate and helps avoid any potential issues.